Welcome back to Neural Nexus. In our last video, we introduced artificial intelligence. Today, we're exploring neural networks, a fundamental AI concept. Neural networks, inspired by the human brain, consist of interconnected nodes, or neurons, organized into layers. Input layer receives data. Hidden layers processes data through transformations. Output layer produces predictions or classifications. Data flows through the network via forward propagation. Each neuron applies an activation function and adjusts weights and biases during training to improve accuracy. There are different types of neural networks. Feed-forward neural networks. Simplest type, data moves from input to output. Convolutional neural networks, CNNs, ideal for image processing. Recurrent neural networks, RNNs, suited for sequential data. Neural networks power many technologies we use daily, from video recommendations to spam detection. To start, explore tools like TensorFlow, Keras, and PyTorch, and try projects like image classification or text prediction. Neural networks are crucial in AI, learning and evolving to solve complex problems. If you found this video helpful, subscribe, like, and share it. Drop your questions or topics in the comments. We might feature them in future videos. Thanks for watching Neural Nexus. Excited to explore more AI with you. See you next time.